The Freedom Front Plus views the City of Tshwane's recent announcement of a 26 billion tourism and economic revitalization plan as an economic fantasy, completely detached from the harsh fiscal reality facing our capital city currently today. Promising 80,000 new jobs by 2029, while our basic infrastructure continues to collapse, is nothing short of unachievable political opportunism. Residents of Tshwane are tired of grand visions that looks impressive on paper, but deliver nothing on the ground. The so-called Tshwane Economic Revitalization Strategy leans heavily on public-private partnerships for the development of municipal properties, sports facilities, nature reserves, and heritage sites. While the Freedom Front Plus supports responsible economic growth and private sector involvement, we have serious concerns about the feasibility and the very real risks in the strategy poses to the people of Tshwane. First, the neglect of the current assets. It's irresponsible to the project large-scale tourism growth when the metro cannot even maintain what it already owns. Sports stadiums like Poolbeach are falling into disrepair. Museums and heritage sites stand neglected after years of mismanagement. How can we credibly invite private investors into a dilapidated environment in the capital city? No serious investor will risk capital where the basics like maintenance, security, reliable services are not in place. You cannot build a tourism economy on broken foundations. Secondly, the dangerous risk of asset alienation. This plan emphasizes the large-scale transfer of strategic city assets, including the Tshwane Investment Center and the Poolbeach Stadium, to private developers without strict oversight, independent valuation, and an ironclad safeguards. We run the real risk of selling off irreplaceable public assets at a fraction